What never asks a question, but always get an answer.
My mother.
Yeah, you done with your boy Jnel peeps, and right now we're there with episode 18 of the questions. And watching out we're there at UWI today. Cause a long time people are say, yo, we need to go UWI, make we see what going on over there. And watching out today, we are give you a 3 shirt, courtesy Rodney boys from out of London. The man say, yo, me need 3 shirt. And I say, alright, here we PayPal such and such. And the man say, yeah, I see them 3 shirt there, more you give them. So watch out, big up boys from out of London. They get to me and say, this is episode 18 of the questions. And you don't know, say as usual. Yo, we're gone. Alright, first thing what I do, just give me a name.
Sidane. Yannick.
Ronaldo Young.
Shannon.
Ashani. Bernard.
Renard Steven.
Colin, V-Loan.
Huh?
V-Loan.
V-Loan?
Yeah.
What that?
V-Loan.
The last name that
Yeah, V-Loan.
V-Loan.
Trafford Clark.
Kieran.
Treasure. Mikhail Treasure.
Perry Cummins. Perry Cummins Jr.
Alright, next.
Aquino. Jordan.
Rico.
Jeremy and Aston.
Rakisha.
Octavia.
Tavon. David.
So I never give you next name.
Mr. Smooth.
No, your next name.
Flathead.
Flathead, alright.
Alright, my name is Dale Elliott.
No, that one no about that. The next name, bad man.
Oh, my name is Anthony Dale Elliott.
No, like the other one.
Ellie the Viner.
Yes, that one there. What never asks a question, but always get an answer.
What never asks a question but always gets an answer? A rhetorical question?
Boy, if you don't get...
I don't know that one there. Question sign. But always get an answer. What the hell is that?
Question sign.
I don't know that one.
One day sticky though.
On the sticky. I say give up.
Give up on the one day.
That's a question. No, that one there.
Repeat that one then.
What never asks a question, but always get an answer.
Yo, woman.
Always gets an answer.
Oh, your phone. Phone call. Phone, me I say no. Phone.
Never get an answer.
Yo, yes, man. Phone.
Hey, but you gonna say it, and that's why I'm gonna ask him first. You know?
Phone.
Phone call. Phone call?
Yeah, phone, but phone call, yeah.
Alright. Never ask a question. On the hard one. Hold on, watch me now. Never ask a question, I'll get an answer.
Yeah.
The door. Answer the door. You can answer the door, answer the phone. Yeah.
What never asks a question, but always get an answer.
A woman.
What never asks a question, but always get an answer.
My mommy?
Got it!
What never asks a question, but always get an answer.
My mother.
What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
What 5-letter word becomes shorter?
When you add 2 letters to it.
Them know.
Now you could tell me because I ask you what 5-letter words. What 5-letter words become shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
What kind of question? No. I don't know. I'm trying so hard.
Repeat the question again. What?
What 5-letter word, right?
5-letter word.
Yeah, become shorter when you add 2 letters to it.
Letters to it.
Short, what? What 5-letter word? Which 5-letter word?
Become shorter when you add 2 letters to it.
How come I don't know that?
Me not gonna make me look like idiot right now. So here we are gonna right now. Me don't feel like that even make no sense.
Think about it, man. It makes sense, man.
Repeat that again.
What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
That don't make no sense.
What? You don't know.
What 5-letter words become shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Sorter. S-O-R-T-E.
Boy, if you don't get
What? Letters become shorter when you add 2 letters to it. Letter?
You don't want to do housework, you don't want to do yard work, and I just want you to stay here just for a little while, maybe.
I don't know, envelope.
short.
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 Nah, catch me with that.
Alright. Alright.
5-letter word. No short, brother. Take man for fool. I'm team.
So, and it can help still. Short. H-O-R-T. So, for E-R to short, it becomes shorter.
Alright, my boss. Big up yourself. Oh, that man get one already, dog. I have teeth but can't eat. What am I?
Teeth and can't eat. Yes, we don't know the one then. We can't pass some.
What have teeth but can't eat?
Fish.
You have a teeth and can't eat.
What am I?
Must have fish.
Yes, you ready, my boss?
Yeah.
Alright, just want to see it right just now, man. Right just now, man. Same time.
Same time. Me alone can't have it.
I have teeth but can't eat. What am I?
Gums.
Comb. Alright, get that one quick, huh? Man, I beat all them chest.
A saw.
So,
But can't eat.
comb.
Sure. I can't sit outside the breeze rub. Yeah.
A comb? Yeah!
Comb. I have teeth but can't eat. What am I?
Tongue.
Fuck.
No.
Alright. I have teeth but can't eat. What am I?
So if you have teeth and you can't eat, bad man, what sense that make?
I have teeth but can't eat.
What am I? Comb.
Yeah, well, I come. Oh, some of them know, man, I'm not telling you. Enough to be comb. It can be comb, right? But it can be comb, but teeth but can't eat. Yeah, must something else must can't eat. We have teeth, brother.
Teeth but can't eat? Yeah, comb. Yeah.
But him just give the answer. I saw. Comb. May I work with comb?
Yeah.
Yeah, comb. Now look like no eat that right now. That matter.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching yet another episode of The Question I Don't Know, which is episode 18. And today we are UWI, as you can see. I hope you enjoy the video. You don't know, like, share, and also subscribe. I'm wanting to check out my remix of Coffee Song when named Toast. Put it up on the post. JPS I come with the force. Buhn call me and say them close, is a chock full. So you don't know your boy Jnel. Thanks for watching episode 18 of The Questions. You don't know, look out to episode 19 soon. You don't know your boy Jnel again. I said that already, but I say it again, but I'm out. Put it up on the post. JPS I come with the force. Buhn call me and say them close, is a chock full. Put it up on the post. We have to move fast like a we name boat. You have to be careful cause enough vote. They will slap you. They get to no light, no light man. No. We can't find money for the bills so the light will be